Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLSN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see, and especially in this case makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. Now I get it, the price did pull back, but even where the price started relative to where it ultimately closed right here, I think we can all agree that this right here was still a nice little move on the bull's part. But that does lead to the very valid question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and that point is down here at, what is that? $2.20. Why is $2.20 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $2.20. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That is literally putting the price right back inside of this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say, I'm not saying this will happen, but let's just pretend that the price pulls back and then bounces around here before heading back up. So even after a pretty drastic pullback like that, what would you still have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have the previous set down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do. They're going to make progress as time unfolds. And in this case, I'm just defining and quantifying the statement, make progress, as $2.20. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, not really going to focus on those right now because in my opinion at least, breaking levels of resistance, not a huge priority. Top priority for the chart at this point in time is going through a healthy consolidation and building that higher base, because as long as there's higher bases being built over time, the long-term chart will take care of itself. So no doubt about it, very nice move today. Now it just transitions into the question, can the bulls build upon this momentum? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.